Let me show you the end of the wire I stripped. I tinned it with a little bit of solder and stripped it back some more. And I stripped it back just enough to fit in so it reaches the end of this terminal. See the end of it there? So I'm going to crimp it on, just using a pair of these. And these are the red size, so I'll use this. I guess the one right there, insulated, non-insulated, the smaller one. What I want to do, I want to use the rounded edge where the seam is, and then the rounded, I guess the one that's going to poke into it on the other side. Let's see how it works. Squeeze it. Not too hard. I think I'll solder it also. There's some grooves or holes where solder will go into. I'm going to try that. This other end, I used a smaller kind of clip on it, and I soldered it. But this one was much more difficult to get the wire into. So I switched back to this other one. But this is really on there pretty tight. They're slightly different size. Let me go ahead and solder this. Maybe you want to see how I just use the big gun. It heats up quick so I don't have to wait long. Put a little flux on the end of this solder. Let's see. It turned out good. I'll clean that flux off. Paper towel, I guess. Still hot. I don't like leaving that residue on there will corrode. That wire's not coming off that terminal. I'll use maybe I'll spray it off with a little electrical cleaner. And wipe it off some more. Sorry about the camera. Hit my stand. So that's nice and clean. Let's see if bent those back some. Put that under there, and still going to be not flat. So let me work on that and I'll get back